Hello friends, family, and other creatures of the sea. My name is Jason Beckadam. I'm a solutions engineer out of Toronto, Canada, and today we're going to be seeing how we can use a Tableau dashboard in order to get the most out of Looker, Tableau, and Salesforce, all within one single application. You might see here on my screen a Tableau dashboard, a Tableau workbook, if you will, and it has really four components. First thing is, let's say I'm a retail store and I wanted to understand my sales across a map or my profit across a map. I can see that very easily using Tableau's geospatial capabilities and dashboarding capabilities. I can even select these states in order to filter down my tables of my customers, and across those customers, I can see the different product categories that are actually making up those customers' purchase basket. Now enter Google Looker. So if you're a company who is really invested in Looker and you want to be able to still use your Tableau dashboards in order to make selections and create really nice visualizations and analytics, but you really like to see Google Looker's agentic capabilities, this is really for you. Right, so on the right-hand side of my screen here, you'll notice I have a Looker agent box that I can actually ask a question. And what's unique about this solution is we're going to take the best of Tableau, right, being able to create that geospatial analysis, being able to create that drag and drop analysis that you've known for over 20 years. We can pass filters from those selections, right? For in this case, I've selected California. I'm now going to pass this filter selection directly into my Looker prompt, right? That way, when I'm asking Looker a question, it is more pointed depending on what I've already selected on my dashboard, right? This can make the user experience much more user-friendly, right? Instead of just giving a Tableau dashboard or just giving a Looker experience in a separate silo, we're going to take these two together. And just like that, you're going to see I had a question that was pretty complicated, right? Customers with at least 6 orders who have not ordered in the last 2 months. Looker got that very quickly. It's listing out those customers. And just like I was passing a filter from my Tableau dashboard to my Looker console, I'm also now going to pass that back into the rest of my Tableau dashboard. Right, so our dashboard is going to basically house the state of all my filters, but both applications can change that active state for those filters. Now, as a cherry on top, analytics are really only as good as the actions that you can take on them. Right? And that's where we actually have an action console that is actually going to write back to Salesforce or trigger a marketing campaign in Salesforce. So I'm going to say assign to campaign. I'm going to assign these 2 people. We're going to say to a summer 2026 promotion, and then we're going to hit next. From here, I can confirm everything looks good. And just like that, those 2 people have now been added to a marketing campaign in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. They're going to receive any collateral, any type of promotion or offer that we are now offering to people who meet that criteria, right? This is just one of numerous use cases that this can be applied across all industries, right? Really going from an insight from a visualization with our Tableau dashboards to an agentic experience for an ad hoc question with Google's powerful Looker platform. And then we're going to continue that loop and finalize that loop with a Salesforce action plan or a Salesforce component here, right? This is all possible right now as well because of Tableau's new Looker connectivity, right? So if you go to Tableau Desktop and you select Looker by Google, you can actually connect now directly to Looker data in order to power your visualizations. So the data that you see here is actually coming directly from Looker, right? Super powerful stuff. I'm super excited for my clients to get their hands on this. With that, let me know what you think about this video. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.